In this video, I'll show you how to set up proposal templates in Dubsado so you can save time and impress your clients. Log into Dubsado and head to the templates and forms. There, select proposals and start creating your first template. Step 2. Customize the design. Add your brand logo, colors, fonts, and layout so your proposal looks professional and on brand. Step 3. Add content blocks. Include sections like your introduction, package options, pricing tables, testimonials, and FAQs. Use drag and drop to keep it clean and organized. Step 4. Connect invoices and contracts. Proposals in Dubsado can be linked directly to an invoice and contract, making the client's journey seamless from proposal to payment. Step 5. Save as a reusable template. Once everything looks great, save it as a template so you can use it for future clients without starting from scratch. Step 6. Test your proposal. Send a sample to yourself to check how it looks from the client's side and confirm all links, invoices, and contracts are working. And that's it. By setting up proposal templates in Dubsado, you'll streamline your onboarding process and close deal faster. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.